just setting up today's testing down at BRE at the Anechoic chamber. We're going to be testing numerous dryers today. We have the Turbo Force, goes under various other brands as well. The 1.6 kilowatt fast dry. We have the Puff the Magic dryer. We have the Booster Smart, or Stealth Force as it's marketed in the UK. We have the Air Dry Classic Plus, the Air Dry Elite, the new Extreme Air Dryer from the US, the G-Force hand dryer, the Accelerator, and the Air Force, both also manufactured in the US. Of course, the Dyson Airblade, the new AB14DB, and the JetFlow. Dr. Draver will be talking a little bit about the types of tests and the reasoning and rationale behind conducting these tests, and the usefulness of the information we gather